honor to have amongst us India's most celebrated Defence Minister to launch one of the most inspiring.
Which probably describes the Indian Armed Forces. I have not gone through the book in detail. I got it in the morning, copy in the morning, but was not able to go through it. I am normally a fast reader. Didn't get time. Right through the morning, a lot of things.
His mailing list and wrote to each and every one on the mailing list, and the answers that I got was tremendous amount of answers that I got from each one of them. And just a small story that comes to my mind. You know, I was in Dehradun, I was meeting somebody for a social function, and there was this lady, a little girl was there, little girl about 25, 28 years old girl, and I was introduced as writing a book on paraplegic. So she said, MP Anil Kumar. I said, how do you know? She says, he saved my life. So I said, how come? So it was, I've written about it in the book as to how MP, went about saving her without even knowing her. She just read about him in school. So I've written about it. I won't like to, get the cat out of the bag. But that's how things were. And I've met people all over the country who knew MP and were more than forthcoming to give me inputs about it.
Awesome. And there were some celebs too.
Celebs, all of them are celebs. Who knew aren't they?
Who we think are celebs, yeah.
Commodore Sathe, as you have related to me, that the people who knew MP Anil Kumar up close and personal were as protective about his legacy as they were proud of him. And at times you found it difficult to extract details about him, about what he wrote. And of course you also mentioned his computer, which is a full-fledged library of things that he has left behind him. So how could you extract things for this book from all that treasure trove?
It's a difficult question. There's a guy sitting there in the middle who knows most of the computer, but we'll leave it at that. What I got from various people over the net was enough to write more books about MP. That is one. Second thing is that all these people sitting in front of you from the school, on their 25th anniversary, at 25th of their passing out, they all wrote about what school was. So that was help. And MP himself wrote so much about what went on in his life. All that was available to me. The only thing that was not available to me was certain little issues about his personal issues that were in the computer, which I think they must be left alone. They are best left alone. Right?
Yeah.